Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself working in Figma, building out your design system, and got a little stuck figuring out how to organize your components, specifically, how to merge two separate components into one with variants, this is exactly the tutorial for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear step-by-step handle on combining new components into a single, powerful variant set, which will help keep your designs neat, flexible, and super easy to manage. Let's jump right into Figma. First things first, go ahead and open Figma and pull up your project. For this example, imagine you've got two button components. Let's say one is a primary button and the other might be a secondary button. Maybe you created them separately while mocking up screens, but now you want to bring them together so they're organized as variant options of a single smart master component. This is a really common scenario. If you're collaborating with a team, you might each end up making your own versions, or as your design system grows, things can get a bit scattered. With that in mind, here's how you merge these two components. Start by simply finding both on your canvas or in your Layers panel. If you want, you can hold Shift and click to select both. The key is to have them both highlighted at the same time. Figma is really smart about recognizing what you have selected, so make sure they're both actual components, those purple diamond icons, rather than just plain groups or frames. If they're not components yet, you can quickly turn them into components by selecting each and pressing Command plus Option plus K on Mac, or Control Alt plus K on Windows. That ensures Figma knows to treat them as reusable design assets. Once you've got both components selected, here, the magic moment, just right-click on your selection. You'll see a list of options pop up. Look for the one that says Combine as Variants. Go ahead and click that. What you've just done is told Figma to wrap both of those components into one master component, but with separate variants. Think of it like taking two types of cookies and putting them into the same cookie jar, but keeping their labels so you always know which is which. If this is your first time using variants, you'll notice that Figma automatically gives each variant a property, like Variant 1 and Variant 2, which you can edit in the right-hand panel. This is super powerful because now, instead of hunting for individual buttons in your Assets panel, you can simply swap between your new variants using a drop-down. This makes managing lots of component options, like different button types, states, or colors, so much simpler. And if you need to add even more variants later, just duplicate inside that master component, adjust the property, and you're set. If you don't immediately see your variants combining, double-check that you're only selecting components and not accidentally grabbing just a grouped frame. They need to be real components for this to work. Don't worry if your variants look a little misaligned at first. It might take a few moments to tidy things up inside the master frame, but it's worth it for a cleaner, more professional design system. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've merged two components into one unified, organized variant set, making your workflow more efficient and your projects far easier to manage. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Figma tip you'd like to see next. Be sure to subscribe for more straightforward, practical design tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.